everyone, my name is Tamisha Thomas. I am from Frankfield, Clarendon. I'm a mother of 4, seeking some help for my kids and my living condition. I live into a 1-bedroom, board and zinc, and this is how it stays. I have to use skirting to keep out the breeze and all of those. I actually have to put towels here to keep out the breeze from there, because I don't really have a lot of curtain to do the backing out and all of those. Some of the place when it reach night, I have to actually hang up a sheet there and all of those. So please, I am seeking some help for my kids to school. I would like to get 2 small beds, 2 small mattress, and a small bed for the kids. This is how the flooring stays. This is how the floor stays. Sometimes when the rain, this is the roof. Sometimes when the rains fall, it had a little leak. I also live with my 82 years old dad also. This is where I cook most of the time. This is how outside. This is our outside of the house stays. So this is the board structure. Also, this is the zinc. Also, yes. We just make the foundation with wood and just a little black here just to put the foundation on. Yes, and also this is the bathroom that we build into. This is the bathroom that we build. Yes, this is where we bathe. Okay, and this is where I wash my plates and all of those stuff. So this is my drum that I use to catch the water whenever rain falls, because we don't have any tank. So we normally have to carry water from the spring, or if we go down to in the Frankfield town, we catch a little drinking water at the pipe there and come up, and then because we live off the main, we have to take something, come out there and stop off and walk it, come on. Sometimes when the rain falls, it is very bad, but still yet we don't really make that trouble, you understand? Yes. Yes, this is my stove also. It's not working for a while now, but I still use it to put the pot on and all of those. This is in my sunroom also. Board and zinc also. Lots of hole. I still have to put some curtains there to keep out a little of the breeze also. Wood floor. This is where my dad stores water and all of those. Yes, I used to work. I work as a domestic helpers and so on, and then I have to stop because I have baby. When I have the baby, yes, I kind of find myself a little bit difficult. Yeah, catch a cold in one of my foot. So soon as you see the rain start to fall and the time get cold, it hurt me very bad and so on. Sometime I go and get a couple days work and work. Sometime I go and work for the week and come home. But since the pandemic really hit, it's rough, really rough. I have a place out there. I'm trying to prepare in some corn, gungo, sorrel and peas. I'm preparing a land to do some little farming that I can, and so on. I plant some, what is something name again? Pine. Plant some pine. And we get some yammed, we're gonna plant those and so on. And if I get something that I can start to sell, to turn my hand and make myself employment, not to depending on anyone, I will be grateful for it. I would be grateful. The kids going to school, it's very rough on me. It's very rough. My 18-year-old son, he doesn't get the time to graduate from high school. He went to Edwin Allen High School. He's 18 now. He said he would like to do what? What he said he would like to do again?
Electrical engineering.
He would like to do electrical engineer and so on. Yes, so I've been struggling for a while. Struggling very much with my kids, my 2 daughters' father. I'm not getting any support from him at all. Whenever I called him, he said nothing now go on and all of those, and that's how it is. My spouse, I have my spouse, he go and come in Maypen. He tell you the truth, he do a little work, construction work for 3 days sometime. He used to work at the pharmacy down by Frankfield, but he's not working now because he took sick. He have some waist issues and all of those, but he still tries best to do whatever he can do, and I still appreciate it and give God thanks for it. But I would really need some assistance with a 2-bedroom, bathroom and a kitchen, and 2 small mattress and a small bed for my kids, and some food kind, and some school stuff like shoes, bags, pencil, pen, and all of those. So I'm truly asking for your support. Thank you. God bless.